Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the battery test of iPhones with iOS 16.0.2 using Geekbench. Our screen brightness is at 25% level while doing this battery test. Battery health for iPhone 8 is at 97%, iPhone SE 2020 at 86%, iPhone XR at 92%, and iPhone 11, iPhone 12, and iPhone 13 are at 100%. And our auto brightness is also turned off during the test. Now launching Geekbench. After 20 minutes later, iPhone 8's battery level decreased. This is after 1 hour. After 2 hours and 16 minutes later, we can see that every phone's battery level decreased, but iPhone 8's battery condition is the most dire one, second to SE 2020. After 2.45 hours later, iPhone 8 and SE 2020 both begin to show low battery warnings. About 3 hours later, our iPhone 8 is dead and iPhone SE 2020 is next on in the line to follow it. After about 3.5 hours later, both iPhone 8 and SE 2020 are dead now. After about 4.5 hours later, our iPhone XR start to show low battery warnings. After 4.4 hours later, iPhone 11 also showing battery warning signal. XR is dead. After 5.3 hours later, this is the first time in this test we are seeing a big iPhone's battery is dead. After 5.4 hours, iPhone 12 also coming down on low battery level. It's been 5.5 hours since the test began, but still no low battery signal from the mighty 13. Even after 7 hours, 13 is still going on strong, though 12 is dead. Let's see when it is give up. At last, almost 7.5 hours later, our last warrior iPhone 13 is tapping the floor and showing the low battery signal for the first time since the test began. After 9 long hours of the Geekbench testing, as our last standing iPhone 13 is also dead, so our battery test is going to end here. Now let's see the combined results. Sit tight.